Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Now let's find the other security settings at the bottom. And here we have to find this credential storage section. Almost at the very bottom of it, we've got clear credentials, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, we've got this information. What is more, this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.